Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bangalore Motor Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So in this video I'm going to talk about Apache Rtr 204V silencer issue. It's not only the Apache Rtr 200 having the issue or any 200cc bikes. It will be most common in any other bikes like 164V, even in the Pulsar series and so many bikes. So now I don't need to take all the names of all the bikes. So now I'm considering my Apache Rtr 204V. And guys, if you're facing this problem, the same issue, then you are in the right place and the right video, where I'm going to show you the permanent solution for that, and with a less price. And it won't cost you much as compared to the showroom. They will say to replace the entire system, that's the exhaust system, where it will cost you around 12k in Apache 200 case. But within 100 rupees you can make it. Let's know it. Let's see and listen how it sounds and how it looks. So here I am removing the silencer part because as it's having the full tank petrol at this time when I was doing this video. Now you can see how the silencer looks once it's removed from the bike. Now we are seeing the welding part, where the welding should be done to rectify this issue, and you can see the entire video.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದು 2016 ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 16 ಅಲ್ಲ 17 ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ವಾರಂಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ವಾರಂಟಿ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ವಾರಂಟಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಫುಲ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸರ್ ವ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಇಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಯರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೈಪ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ,
So now you can see that outer part welding is done. Now internal pipe is welding now. So bonus clip, if you didn't watch the Apache 200 without the silencer, then here it is. And fixing the silencer back to its place, and let's listen how it sounds.